I had to install massaging seats in my Tesla. It's something I've always wanted out of a vehicle, is having the ability to have massaging seats. And unfortunately, Tesla does not offer that factory. There's other brands that offer that, but I don't want to be buying a new car just to have massaging seats. So I went to Hansshow and acquired some massaging seats, and I'm going to install them in today's video, and we'll discuss how they feel and a review on them towards the end. If you're ordering from Hansshow, use the code down below or the one here on the screen for 22% off your purchase, and enjoy the video. So got this for the headrest, and so the first thing with installing the seat covers is you want to remove the headrest, which is quite a process, and you do need a screwdriver to do so. So that's why they've provided you with 2 screwdrivers. Okay, very interesting. It opens up the whole back of the seat at the same time. I'm probably going to have to lean the seat back. Yeah, it's interesting. So once you've slid it on there, now this has been sitting in the packaging for quite a while. I just haven't had time to install it, but that'll slide forward. These clips just bend down and snap into the metal frame in here. Same with over here. I'm gonna have to put you guys down to be able to finish this. Well, first impression is this is a comfortable seat. Man, these seats are awesome. So I've had them installed now for a day and a little bit, and yeah, just wanted to give it some time, test it out, and see how it actually is. And it blows my expectations of a massaging seat. I've never had a vehicle with a massaging seat, but I've been in massage chairs and other things, and they usually have like hard plastic ball that moves through and moves around, and it's just rough on you. But with this seat cover, it's comfortable. When it's not on, you don't feel any plastic or any hard things in the seat, which some other seat covers I've tried in the past, they have that feeling. Not necessarily massaging seats, but other seat covers in general. And the Hansshow seat covers work well. And I believe it's like an air inside the seat that pumps up and deflates and inflates in order to provide the massage, and kind of moves up and down. And then you can have it just on the bottom or just on your back, and you can have it on the back and the bottom at the same time. So yeah, it's been really nice, and I'll be continuing to use it and test it out. So might make a follow-up video on that later on, maybe like after the summer. And the other benefit of it is the perforated seat, because it has the holes in the seat, so it's more ventilated like that. It allows for heat transfer from your body to go through the seat, as opposed to just a flat leather surface or pleather surface that the Tesla Model Y had prior to that. Yeah, so it's a great seat. If you want 22% off your purchase, use the link down below in the description, and this code right here on the screen. You can get 22% off your purchase today from Hansshow. And thank you to Hansshow for making this video possible.